Hello, fellow Canadians. If you're looking for a quick way to buy cryptocurrency, especially Ethereum and Bitcoin, look no further. Shakepay is the way to go if you want a quick and easy way to get started, okay? So all you have to do is sign up for Shakepay. Utilize e-transfer, so send an e-transfer directly to Shakepay. You'll get the email and the password and everything here. They're a Canadian-based company, and I've been using them for a while. Really like them. 10 minutes to get your first Bitcoin, $1 billion in digital currency bought and sold, 250,000 plus Canadians served, okay? Super fast, commission free. And also, once you refer one person, you'll both get a $30 bonus on a $100 deposit. Plus, then you can start shaking your phone for free Bitcoin, okay? So utilize this. I'm going to open up the platform here. As you guys can see, I bought mostly Ethereum here, a little bit of Bitcoin in here. So to utilize this, all you have to do is sign up. So utilize your KYC. So get approved for your photo ID, address, and all that stuff. Once you get approved, so do that as soon as possible, okay? Use my link in the description because you're going to get $30 if you deposit $100, okay? That's a 30% gain on your money, okay? And Bitcoin's skyrocketing, Ethereum's skyrocketing. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I really believe in where cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is going, and Ethereum is going as well. And what's fun about this project is this company is you take your phone and shake it, right? There you go. Too much shaking today. I already shaked for today. But you earn $30 when you deposit $100, like I said. And when you shake your phone, you get free Bitcoin every day. So it ends up being a few dollars. And then when Bitcoin moves up to, hundreds of thousands of dollars to $1 million, then it does add up, okay, guys? So that being said, make sure you get your shake on. And this is for Canadians only, okay? Sorry, my friends in the United States and everywhere else in the world. But it's for Canadians only. And get to shaking, get Shakepay. Even $100 can grow to $1,000 or more, especially with Ethereum, as it has more. Well, I don't want to say that because Bitcoin has a lot of upside potential, and so does Ethereum. So, but in my opinion, Ethereum's catching up to Bitcoin. So you may have a more significant gain there. I'm not a banker. I'm not your accountant. So don't spend any money that you're not willing to lose in the market. But then you can start moving your cryptocurrency to other exchanges and start learning about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. But if you guys are looking for a free $30 bonus on your $100 deposit, I do recommend Shakepay. I utilize it. Obviously, you guys can see. And if you guys want to get in, use my link down below and in the comments section. Okay. And also, I'm doing a cryptocurrency giveaway of $100 USD as well. Maybe you can use that to apply to your bonus. All you have to do is comment on my latest video in my shorts. It's called a short video, but you can go to my other videos, or you can even comment on this one. And the rule is you have to subscribe to this channel, okay? August University. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then hit the like button. And also in the comment section, say I got in, okay? So I'm doing the draw tonight. Today is February 13th to celebrate Year of the Ox, Lunar New Year, and to celebrate 1K subscribers on my channel here. So, like I said, like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment I got in if you guys want a chance to win the $100 in cryptocurrency. And your cryptocurrency of your choice. And I'm actually paying out in 100 USD, so US dollars. So you get a little bit extra, okay? So hopefully you guys subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you guys take advantage and take action on Shakepay. Get your bonus as well. Use my link. And hopefully everyone has a blessed year and blessed day. It's Year of the Ox. I'm an ox when it comes to, the Chinese calendar, the Asian, the Vietnamese calendar. So, yeah, take advantage. It's going to be a blessed year. If we make it a blessed year, I encourage you guys and girls to learn about this crypto space and invest your money wisely because the banks aren't going to do it for you, all right? Have a blessed day. Take action, and I'll see you guys in the next video.